Good morning, students. Today we have to learn two chapters. In this session, we have to learn two chapters, chapter number 7 and 8 in your textbook. Let us see chapter number 7, A Visit to Central India. It is in your page number 16. It is in page number 16 in your textbook. The name of the chapter is A Visit to Central India. Madhya Pradesh. It was the largest state of India before Chhattisgarh was carved out of it. So let us see the Central India. Central India represents a combination of Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. Madhya Pradesh was considered as the largest state of India before Chhattisgarh was carved out of it. Now it is the second largest state after Rajasthan. So Rajasthan is considered to be the largest state of our country. The second place occupies the Madhya Pradesh. So in this lesson, we have to fill the blanks with the correct answer with the help of the clues they just given. Let us see the first one. The town of Das in Madhya Pradesh, it is familiar for its Kumbh Mela. It is familiar for the Kumbh Mela. The answer for the first one is Ujjain. So Ujjain is considered to be the fifth largest city of Madhya Pradesh. It is considered to be the fifth largest city of Madhya Pradesh by population. So what do you mean by the term Kumbh Mela? Kumbh Mela, it is a major pilgrimage festival of Hindus. It is a major pilgrimage festival of Hinduism. It is celebrated once in 12 years at 4 river banks. At 4 river banks, once in 12 years it was celebrated. The name of the river banks is Allahabad, Haridwar, Nasik and Ujjain. So Ujjain is the fifth largest city of Madhya Pradesh by population. The second one, Das is the capital city of Chhattisgarh. What's the name of the capital of Chhattisgarh? Naya Raipur. Naya Raipur is the capital of Chhattisgarh. It is otherwise called as Atal Nagar. It is otherwise called as Atal Nagar. It is said to be the fully developed city of Indian state Chhattisgarh. Let us underline the keyword. Kumbh Mela is familiar in the town Ujjain, and Naya Raipur is the capital of Chhattisgarh. It is otherwise called as Atal Nagar. The third one, Das in Madhya Pradesh is famous for the group of Hindu and Jain temples. The name? Khajuraho. Khajuraho in Madhya Pradesh is famous for its group of Hindu and Jain temples. Its name is derived from the Sanskrit word meaning date palm. Its name is derived from the Sanskrit word for date palm. Group of monuments has listed by UNESCO. A group of monuments has listed by UNESCO in 1986. In 1986, a group of monuments that has been listed by means of UNESCO. So this city, Khajuraho, is considered to be the 7 wonders of India. It is considered to be 7 wonders of India in the year 1986. On to the next one. The city of Das in Chhattisgarh gets its name from Hindi word luxury. What is the Hindi word? What is the name of the Hindi word for the meaning luxury in English? Let us see the answer. Bilaspur. Bilaspur is the meaning luxury, which means a Hindi word. Bilaspur is a Hindi word which means which gives the English meaning for the word luxury. It is famous for its soft, colorful Kosa silk sarees. Apart from this city, an aromatic Dubraj rice is also famous. In the city, Bilaspur, an aromatic Dubraj rice is also famous. This city, Bilaspur, is otherwise called a city of festivals. So much of festivals are celebrated in our ancient days. So this city is called as a city of festivals. Underline the keyword, group of Hindu and Jain temples, and the word Khajuraho. Khajuraho means date palm. Similarly, the word Bilaspur means luxury. Date palm, it is a meaning for the word in Sanskrit, and luxury is the meaning in Hindi. The river Das is called as a lifeline of Madhya Pradesh. What is the name? Can you guess the answer for this? Very good. Narmada. The river Narmada is called as a lifeline of Madhya Pradesh. It is only one of the three major Indian rivers. It is one of the only three major Indian rivers which flows from east to west. What are the three rivers that flows from east to west? Let us give the name means Narmada, Tapti and Mahi. Narmada, Tapti and Mahi are the three major rivers that flows from east to west. Among this, the river Narmada, it is called as a lifeline of Madhya Pradesh. The next one, Dance in Chhattisgarh is famous for a steel plant. Bhilai. Bhilai in Chhattisgarh is said to be the famous first and main producer of steel rails around the country called India. So Bhilai in Chhattisgarh is famous for a steel plant. It is said to be the first and main producer of steel rails when compared to that of the other steel plants in our country. Underline the keyword lifeline of Madhya Pradesh. Three major rivers which flows from east to west. Then the steel plant Bhilai. The airport named after Ahilyabai Holkar. So Ahilyabai Holkar is a queen of Maratha Malwa kingdom. This person born in village. The airport was named after this person, Ahilyabai Holkar, the only woman other than Indira Gandhi, after whom an Indian airport is named. It is located in the place called Indore. It is located in the place called Indore. So this Ahilyabai Holkar is a person that is queen of Maratha Malwa kingdom. This person born in village and extend her kingdom to the south of Indore and Narmada river. This person built numerous fort roads in Malwa region. So in order to honor the person, the airport that is located in Indore is named after this person. A tribal community that ruled between 13th century CE and 19th century CE in an area which is now situated in eastern Madhya Pradesh and western Odisha. Let us see the answer for the tribal people, Gond. What do you mean by the term Gond? Means the green mountain. This person are familiar for painting. The painting includes the scenes from folk. It includes the scenes of folk. This group of people, Gond, is said to be one of the largest tribe in India. Underline the keyword for the seventh, Ahilyabai Holkar, other than Indira Gandhi. Then the tribal community belongs to the region of Madhya Pradesh and Western Odisha. The name of the person is Gond. They are familiar for their art. Let us see the this fact. It's very important and interesting one. In which state in central India are these famous sites located? The first one, Chitrakoot Falls. Chitrakoot Falls. It is situated in Baston district. It is situated in the Baston district of Chhattisgarh. The height of this falls is 29 meter. It is a natural waterfall on Indravat river. It is a natural waterfall situated in the Indravat river. Next, Jaivilas Mahal. Jaivilas Mahal. Mahal is otherwise called as palace. This Jaivilas Mahal or Jaivilas Palace belongs to 19th century. It is situated in Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. Next, Bhimbekta Rock Shelter. Bhimbekta Rock Shelter is situated in Bhojpur, Madhya Pradesh. It is said to be the famous archaeologist site in central India. It includes some of the evidence of prehistoric, Paleolithic, Mesolithic and even historic period traces of human India. What is the next one? Borandiop Temple, Kavada, Chhattisgarh. A group of 4 temples. The main lord of this temple is Shiva, Lord Shiva. So this group of 4 temples were constructed with the help of brick stones. The main temple was built by a stone. So this is a familiar place, famous site that is situated in Kavada of Chhattisgarh. Let us see the fact. In British India, a province called Central Provinces. The Central Provinces consist of 3 regions, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Maharashtra. So Central India means it refers only to Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh, but Central Provinces in British period, Central Provinces that includes Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Maharashtra. That period, during British period, the capital of this Central Provinces were Nagpur. Let us see the answer. Move on to the next lesson. Chapter number 8, films with a sports theme. Films with a sports theme. Page number 18. In this lesson, we have to match the name of the film with the themes. Match the name of the sports films in column A with the clues given in the column B. The first one, South Park. South Park. Answer. What's the answer for the first one? Actor Jake Gyllenhaal plays a boxer who loses his wife in an accident and then loses custody of his daughter. So, actor Jake Gyllenhaal plays a boxer who loses his wife in an accident and then loses custody of his daughter. On to the next one, Gold. Let us see answer for the second one. Akshay Kumar. Akshay Kumar stars in this film based upon the national hockey team's gold medal winning campaign in 1948 London Olympics. So, the main theme of the story is post-independence. Team leader faces so much trouble to coach his team and to win the match. To coach his team and faces so much of troubles or obstacles to win the match and to win a medal. This is the main concept of the story. On to the third one, Tangal. See the answer for the third one. Mahavir Mohan trains his young daughter to become wrestling champions. The person decides to fulfill his dream with the help of his daughters and try to win the gold medal by training her daughters in the game called wrestling for his country. Next, number 4, Lagan. During British rule, let us see the answer for the fourth one. Amir Khan plays Bhuvan, the capital of a fictional 19 team presence team which defeats the British in a thrilling cricket match. So, what is the main aim of this or main theme of this movie is during British rule, the farmer challenges to beat a Captain Andrew team in a cricket match in order to train his fellow village peoples and enable his village not to pay a tax for next 3 years. Number 5, Ali. See the answer. A 2001 film which tells the story of one of the world's greatest boxing champion whose name was Cassius Clay. Then 6th one, Chak v India. See the answer for 6th one. Shah Rukh Khan plays a hockey coach to the Indian national women's hockey team. A farmer, the main concept is a farmer is trained as a betrayed of his. A farmer is tainted as a betrayed of his country. In order to prove his loyalty, this person coached the national women hockey team and tried to win the team. He trained the team and tried to win the medal from this team by means of this team and tried to prove his loyalty. With the help of this team, this person can prove his loyalty. Next, Mary Kom. Priyanka Chopra plays the part of an Olympic medal winner boxer. Despite of his father's approval, this person follows her passion to win the game. Back, Milka, back. Farhan Akhtar played the title role in this movie based on the life of athlete called the Flying Sikh. This indicates an athlete life who faces so much of problems. A athlete person from an interior village of India who faces so much of problems and struggles to come out and to become a world champion and one of the iconic figure in the field of athletes. That is the main concept of the story. Underline the keyword wrestling champion and then boxer, then life of the athlete, then cricket match, national hockey, then greatest boxing champion and hockey coach. See the Whisper Free Solo is a rock climbing film. The film won the Oscar for Best Documentary Film in the year 2018. It is documented rock climber Alex Honnold's successful free solo ascent of El Capitan, a vertical rock formation over 3,300 feet high in the Yosemite National Park. So, what is the name of the film? Free Solo. This film is about a rock climbing film. That film won the Oscar award in the year 2018. Underline the keywords for this. Thus, the end of this session. Thank you so much, students. Thank you to all.